Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English. If you are new here, I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. This is your fun podcast to learn real English, step by step, with no stress.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Help us grow our Pop Off English family.
Today, we talk about something very important in life and in language, emotions.
Feelings, heart stuff, brain stuff, crying in the shower stuff.
And the I'm fine when actually you are not fine at all.
Exactly. We will use very simple English so you can understand everything. Listen, relax, and enjoy the story.
Okay, let's start. Imagine this. It is Monday morning. The alarm rings.
Mia is in bed. That's me. I open one eye and think, no, I refuse. I quit life.
But she does not quit life. She gets up, slowly.
I feel tired. I feel grumpy. Grumpy means a little angry and not happy.
She looks at her phone. There are 3 emails, 5 messages, and 1 notification from Pop Off English.
The only good thing. I feel a little happy. Just a little.
She makes coffee. The coffee is cold.
Now I feel angry. Not super angry, just why is life like this? Angry.
Emotions change very fast. In 5 minutes, you can go from tired to angry to happy.
Humans are emotional roller coasters.
Let's look at some important emotion words in English with Mia's Crazy Monday.
First emotion, happy. Very simple, very important.
Mia finally makes a hot coffee. She drinks it. She feels happy.
I smile, I relax. I feel good in my body. That is happy.
Sometimes we say, I feel good or I feel great.
Second emotion, sad. My favorite emotion when I listen to music at 2 a.m.
On the same Monday, Mia remembers her weekend. The weekend is over. She feels sad.
Yes, I think about Saturday. No work, no alarm, no emails. And now, Monday. I feel sad.
Sad is when you want to cry or you feel low energy.
Next emotion, angry. My emotion when people eat my food from the fridge.
Mia is on the bus. A man is listening to music with no headphones. The music is very loud.
Now I feel angry. My face is serious. My eyes are small. I think, why, sir, why?
Angry is stronger than not happy. It is a hot emotion.
Next emotion, scared. Also afraid. They are the same.
Mia arrives at work. She remembers there is a big presentation today.
Surprise! I forgot the presentation. I feel scared. My heart is fast. My hands are cold.
When you are scared, your body is ready to run or to fight.
I want to run. But I stay.
Okay, we have happy, sad, angry, scared. Let's add more.
Another important one. Excited. Excited is like happy, but with more energy.
In the afternoon, Mia gets a message. Mia, you want a free trip to London.
Now I feel excited. I jump. I move. I talk fast. Is this real London? Oh my God!
Excited is usually a good feeling. You are looking forward to something.
Next emotion, nervous. It is similar to scared, but softer.
Before the big presentation, Mia feels nervous.
My stomach is not okay. My legs move. I walk left, right, left, right. I think, what if I forget my words?
That is nervous.
Next emotion, embarrassed. This is when something is a little socially bad and you feel stupid.
In the middle of the presentation, Mia's phone starts to ring. The ringtone is a very silly song.
Everyone looks at me. I feel embarrassed. My face is red. Inside my head, I think, please delete me from this planet.
That is embarrassed, not angry, not sad, just, oh no, this is so awkward.
Another emotion? Bored. This is when you have nothing interesting to do.
After work, Mia takes the bus again. The bus is slow. There is traffic. She has no internet.
I feel bored. I look out the window. Nothing happens. My brain is sleeping.
Last one for now. Confused, when you don't understand what is happening.
My boss says, we will maybe probably kind of sort of change the plan if the thing with the other thing is okay.
Mia is confused. Her brain says, error 404, information not found.
Okay, let's put all these emotions in a little story with Mia and Leo.
It is Friday evening. Mia and I go to a new restaurant.
I feel excited. New food, new place. New chance to eat too much.
I feel a little nervous. New places sometimes make me nervous.
We sit down. The waiter brings the menu.
The menu is in 5 languages: English, French, Spanish, Italian, and something with beautiful letters that I cannot read.
I feel confused. I read the menu and think, what is mystery soup? Why is it mystery?
I feel a little scared of the mystery soup.
I feel brave. Okay, I will try the mystery soup.
The soup arrives. It is very green.
Like alien green. I feel nervous. I smell it. It smells good. I feel a little more relaxed.
She tastes it. Her eyes are big. She smiles.
I feel happy. It is delicious. Not a mystery, just very good.
I feel relieved. Relieved is when you had stress, and then the stress is gone.
I say, Leo, you must try this.
I say, okay, I trust you. I try it. It is spicy, very spicy.
Leo's face changes. His eyes have tears. His mouth is on fire.
I feel shocked. I feel attacked by the soup.
I feel a little guilty. Guilty is when you think, it is my fault. I did something bad.
I drink water. I breathe. After 1 minute, I feel better.
Now I feel relieved too.
At the next table, someone is having a birthday. The music starts. Everybody sings.
I feel surprised. I did not expect a birthday party here.
A big cake arrives with candles. The whole restaurant is singing.
I feel happy. I feel warm inside. It is a nice moment. I don't know this person, but I feel connected.
Then something happens. The birthday person starts to cry.
At first, I think they are sad. But no. They are happy. Very happy. Sometimes we cry when we feel too much emotion, even if it is good emotion.
I feel touched. Touched means my heart is soft. I feel emotional, but in a good way.
After dinner, we go outside. It is raining.
I feel annoyed. I don't like rain.
I feel playful. I say, Leo, let's walk in the rain. It's romantic.
I say, we are not in a movie.
But we walk in the rain. I jump in a small puddle. My shoes are wet. Now I feel annoyed too.
Our emotions change again and again in just one evening.
That is normal. You are not crazy. You are just human.
Now, let's look at some simple sentences you can use to talk about emotions in English.
For all emotions, you can say, I feel, and then the emotion.
I feel happy, I feel sad, I feel angry, I feel scared, I feel excited, I feel nervous, I feel embarrassed, I feel bored, I feel confused, I feel annoyed, I feel guilty. I feel relieved, I feel touched.
You can also use I am with many of them.
I am happy, I am sad, I am angry, I am scared, I am excited, I am bored, I am confused, I am annoyed.
But usually we don't say I am embarrassed in a big voice because that is already embarrassing.
But you can say it to a friend quietly.
Also, you can talk about the level of emotion.
When the emotion is small, you can say a little or a bit.
I feel a little sad today. I am a bit tired. I am a little nervous.
When the emotion is big, you can say very, so, or really.
I am very happy. I feel so angry. I am really bored.
Let's make some small dialogues with emotions. Very simple.
Mia, hey Leo, how are you today?
Leo, I'm okay, but I'm a little tired. And you?
Mia, I feel excited. It's Friday.
Easy. Another one.
Mia, you look sad. Are you okay?
Leo, I'm a bit sad. I miss my family.
Mia, I understand. Do you want to talk?
When you ask about emotions, be kind.
Another short one.
Leo, I'm so nervous. I have an exam.
Mia, of course you are nervous. It's important. But you studied. You can do it.
Emotions are normal. It's okay to say them.
In English-speaking countries, some people talk about emotions a lot. Some people say, I'm fine, when they are not fine.
I'm fine can mean, I don't want to talk about it.
Or I am trying to be okay, but life is a mess.
So listen to the voice, the face, the body. Sometimes the words are not enough.
Now, let's look at emotions with because. You can say why you feel something.
I feel happy because I got a new job. I feel sad because my friend moved to another city. I'm angry because my train is late. I'm nervous because I have an interview. I'm excited because I'm going to a concert.
You can also use about.
I'm excited about my trip. I'm nervous about the exam. I'm angry about the situation. I'm happy about your news.
And you can use with for people.
I'm angry with my brother. I'm annoyed with my boss. I'm happy with my teacher.
Please be happy with your pop-off English teachers.
Yes, please be happy with us.
Now let's talk about mixed emotions. Sometimes you feel two things at the same time.
For example, you can feel happy and scared.
You move to a new country. You feel excited because it's new. You feel scared because it's new.
Same situation, two emotions.
You can say, I feel happy and scared at the same time.
Or I have mixed feelings.
Another example. You break up with someone. The relationship was not good. You feel sad because it is finished. You feel relieved because the problems are finished too.
You can say, I feel sad, but also relieved.
Humans are complex. We can have many feelings together, like a big emotional soup.
Hopefully not a mystery soup.
Now, let's talk about how to react when someone tells you their feelings.
If someone says, I'm sad, you can say, I'm sorry you feel that way, or do you want to talk about it?
Do not say, don't be sad. That is not helpful.
When someone is nervous, you can say, that's normal, or you can do it.
When someone is happy, you can say, I'm happy for you, or that's great news.
When someone is angry, sometimes it's better to listen first.
You can say, I understand you are angry, or do you want to calm down and talk later?
Talking about emotions in simple English is very powerful. You don't need difficult words.
I feel sad, I feel happy, I feel tired, I feel lonely. Super easy, but very real.
Speaking of lonely, that is another important emotion.
Lonely is when you are alone and you don't like it.
You can be alone and happy. But when you are alone and you want company, that is lonely.
For example, I moved to a new city. I don't know anybody. People are nice, but I have no close friends. I feel lonely.
This is very common when you learn a new language or go to a new country.
That is why online communities are nice. You can feel less lonely.
Like our Pop-Off English community.
You are not alone with your English. We are with you.
Another emotion word, proud.
Proud is when you feel good about something you or someone else did.
When you finish this episode and you understand it, you can feel proud.
I feel proud of you for listening until now.
You can say, I'm proud of myself, or I'm proud of you.
So today we talked about many emotions: happy, sad, angry, scared, excited, nervous, embarrassed, bored, confused, annoyed, guilty, relieved, surprised, touched, lonely, proud.
If this feels like a lot, don't worry. You will hear these words many times in movies, series, songs, and real life.
The more you hear them, the easier they become.
Before we finish, let's make a very short, simple story with many emotions together.
On Monday, I feel tired. I drink coffee. I feel happier. I miss the bus. I feel angry. A friend sends me a funny video. I feel amused. I arrive late at work. I feel embarrassed. My boss says, "It's okay." I feel relieved. At lunch, I eat good food. I feel satisfied. In the afternoon, I make a mistake. I feel nervous. I fix the mistake. I feel proud. In the evening, I watch a sad movie. I feel sad, but also relaxed. Then I sleep. End of emotional day.
So many emotions in one normal day.
Your day is also like this. Many feelings, many colors.
Use English to talk about these colors.
You can even tell us in the comments, how do you feel today? Use very simple English.
For example, today I feel happy because, or I feel tired but okay.
We love reading your comments. It helps you practice and it helps us know you better.
If you enjoyed this episode, remember to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
You can listen again to practice. The second time, you will understand more.
And the third time, maybe you will feel proud of your progress.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Take care of your English.
And take care of your emotions.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.